Yo, yo, hear the leaves, they chime. Step by step in the forest we climb. Butterflies flying, hearts untying. We'll sing with the trees, no time for sighing. Wake up, bright eyes, forest alive. Dew on the clover, bees arise. Cicadas hum with a steady beat. Every little moment feels so sweet. Maple shade, daisies bloom, pine trees sway. Dragonflies dancing on the bay. Snap a pic, fireflies glow. Life's a meadow everywhere we go. Oh, ride the breeze, feel the green. Hands to the sky, freshest sea. Oh, take a chance, sing away. Every little leaf makes our day. Forest grew in my soul. Jump with joy, let the wild flow. Twist and turn where the rivers go. Brighten up the woods wherever we roam. Sunflowers tall, violets in the shade. Grasshoppers leap in a sunny parade. Ladybugs crawl, petals on the way. Every little step paints a brighter day. Magic and moss, orchids so rare. Friends by my side, love everywhere. Sing with crickets, sing it free. Nothing can stop this energy. Oh, ride the breeze, feel the green. Hands to the sky, freshest sea. Oh, take a chance, sing away. Every little leaf makes our day. 4, 10, 3, forest grew in my soul. Jump with joy, let the wild flow. Twist and turn where the rivers go. Brighten up the woods wherever we roam. Glowworm lights sparkle the night. Every little dream takes flight. Hold my hand, walk along. We'll hum the forest song. From oak trees to streams, life's a rhythm. Chase our dreams, fill the woods with cheer.